In scientific words, it is a hot glowing ball of hydrogen and helium in the center of our solar system. From the very beginning, it was a desire for mankind to know about the mystery of the sun. Hello, we are Team Jantrik. Our project is Parker Learner. Our challenge is to develop a creative way to tell young audiences the inspiring story of Parker's record-breaking journey from Earth to the sun. Meet our team. Our team leader is Waliul Islam Nohan and the members are Reza Abdullah, Emni Tanzir Arafat, Sanjida Siddiqa Faisal Irfan and Muhammad Saud. The purpose of this project is to educate the next generation on data NASA has sent about the sun. We could have studied another star or planet, but we choose the sun because it is the power source and it has higher luminosity in emission and flux intensity in our solar system. We receive both good and harmful things from the sun. Many satellites have been destroyed due to solar wind produced by corona, a region of the sun. This has resulted in enormous losses. Additionally, the radiation from the sun causes us a lot of issues. Young people will have an easier time solving more problems if they are familiar with the Parker Solar Probe from an early age. Our main goal is to simplify this method for them. We want to construct this project as a result. What is the Parker Solar Probe? The Parker Solar Probe is a NASA space probe launched in 2018 with the mission of making observations of the outer corona of the sun. It will approach to within 9.86 solar radii from the center of the sun, and by 2025 will travel at its closest approach as fast as 690,000 km per hour or 0.064% the speed of light. How it functions. Parker Solar Probe provides a statistical survey of the outer corona. It has three detailed science objectives: trace the flow of energy that heats and accelerates the solar corona and solar wind, determine the structure and dynamics of the plasma and magnetic fields at the sources of the solar wind. Our model. We are making a model of sun and Parker Solar Probe where we connected several sensors and display which will show us many types of data. When the solar probe rotates, then the rotation speed, temperature of probe, velocity according to the ground, and signal frequency are all will display through the display bar. We made a model sun and the solar probe will rotate according to the sun. We made an app that will auto work when any person comes near of solar probe with their smartphone. This is totally a working model of a solar probe with lots of displaying methods. We are also showing some data on build materials. Prototype of our project. We constructed a Parker Sun Solar Probe prototype. With this probe, we are moving the sun and the Parker Solar Probe simultaneously. Next, NASA collects data from the sun in real time for us. Young people are being shown how Parker Sun calculates in real time. We can even use an app to see this. This is what makes us unique. The role of app. We built a miniature of the sun and the Parker Solar Probe and linked various sensors and screens to it so that it could display various sorts of data. The rotation speed, probe temperature, ground velocity and signal frequency will all be displayed through the display bar when the solar probe spins. Every year, billions of dollars are lost due to solar wind, so we are attempting to inspire young people to demonstrate an interest in this field. Through our effort, we are thinking about educating 2.5 million young people about this system. We think that this different way of representing the mighty Parker Sun Solar Probe will meet our goal. Thank you.